Hello, my fearless ones. Hi, everyone. Excuse the cap. I haven't had time to do my hair. I've been super busy. Like mentioned a couple of weeks ago, I'm taking an Arise class, and it's one of those essential jobs. I told you guys nothing is beneath me, and I wanted to, just take a job, well, contract. Doing roadside assistance, so it's one of those essential jobs. And so homework and certification. It's been years since I serviced for a ride. So, and to all my CSPs, I get it. I get it. It's intense, and the role playing can be, if you never really did any customer service work, you can be really nervous. But I promise you, after your first call, you will get comfortable. I'm really laid back in the class because I'm like a vet, and I let the new people do the role playing and ask all the questions. I'm just learning the system, learning the script, and I'm good. So yes, I'm actually taking an Arise class. I should be finished on the 15th, so we only have 7 days left. And between that and my businesses, I've been busy. Like, I don't feel like we're quarantined. My plate is definitely full, you guys. So I haven't had time to do my hair, and I'm not going to worry about it. I might try to squeeze it in Sunday if I don't have anything going on, because Sunday is usually my rest day. So I'll get up about 5 o'clock and just take it down, wash it, and redo it. I got my girls here to help me. So, and one of them, she loved to braid. So yeah, and I decided to put in my diamond hoops. They were in my desk. I said, well, let me put them on today. So I want to do a review on the CBC IASO tea. CBD IASO tea. 25 come in here, and so far I've only taken 4. And let me tell you, the first time I took it, I mixed it with a 16-ounce bottle of water, right? And I drank it before I went to bed. I woke up the next day, and the bowel movement was euphoric, you guys. Like, if you want to know about any type of detox, ask me, because I know. I've fasted. I've done water fast. I've done master cleanse. I've even done the yogi over-the-counter detox. I make them big pictures of that and put it in my refrigerator for my kids to drink. So if there's a detox and you want to know, I'm going to tell you if it's the truth or not. This is the truth. This cleanses you on a cellular level. It cleanses your kidney. It cleanses your colon. And it cleanses your liver. It pulls the mucus. It actually go into the fibers of your colon and pull out stuff that just regular over-the-counter detox don't. Like, I would consider this as a medical detox. Now, let's be clear. We don't claim to be physicians. This is the disclaimer. This is not a medical diagnosis. If you're having any medical issues, please consult with your doctor, okay? But if you are having if you have irritable bowel syndrome, you're having trouble going to the bathroom, you're only going once or twice a week, that is dangerous grounds, and all types of ailments can hit you because you're not expelling waste in a fast enough speed. Once your body uses the food and that waste that it don't need, it need to expel out your body rapidly. Like, you should not still have 2-day-old food sitting in your colon. That is dangerous. I felt this. Like, it was really euphoric. Like, when I came out the restroom. I even feel like that now. So I took it Friday, and this happened Saturday morning. I didn't take it Saturday night because I wasn't at home. I went to my boyfriend's house. Let me tell you why I didn't take it Sunday. We had an issue. with the toilet. These kids are out of school and they don't have nothing to do and they're tearing up. Anyway, I had to have my toilet replaced. So I wasn't trying to detox with no working toilet, a properly working toilet. So I missed Saturday night, I missed Sunday night, and Monday I did a double up. So Monday I was in Walmart and these were just in like a little stand. It's just a great value, alkaline, pH balance, purified water. So I said, well, let me just try with some alkaline water. I want to see if I can give it some extra oomph, right? So I drank about this much water down and I put 2 packets in here because I wanted to make up for Saturday night and Sunday night, right? So I put 2 packets and drunk it Monday night. I woke up Tuesday. It was even a better experience because I doubled up on it, right? Felt good. I didn't get on the scale. So last night I just decided to fill just some regular purified refrigerator. I have a purifier, a filter, whatever, on my refrigerator. So I decided to just put this much water, well, 1 packet. And I woke up and it is 9 o'clock and I have had 2 bowel movements so far. And I feel good. I feel light. My stomach don't feel bloated. Ladies, it even helps with cramps. Like your cramps will get lighter. If you're one of those people that have really bad cramps, they'll get lighter. I can't say nothing but good things. If this wasn't a good product, I would say so. Really, if you're suffering from bowel movements, like I said, irritable bowel syndrome, your stomach is bloated, they did not make this for weight loss. I see a lot of reviews that say, people say, well, it didn't work for me, I didn't lose weight. Typically, you would lose 5 pounds in 5 days. But let's be real, ladies and gentlemen. If your diet is a double Big Mac with a large fry and a large drink, sodas, and you're trying to use this to lose weight, it will detox the body, but you're still putting in a lot of calories. So we have to be realistic. This is not a miracle worker as far as weight loss. You still have to exercise discipline when trying to start a weight loss journey. This is good in flushing and detoxing the body, removing any waste and toxins from the body. Okay? They don't claim weight loss on the packet. It does not say that anywhere. But when you see reviews and testimonials, they say, well, hey, when I took Iaso tea, I lost 5 pounds in 5 days. But on this packaging, it does not say weight loss. Now, on this packaging, it says Delgado weight loss coffee. But even with this, you still have to use some common sense. You can't eat 2 double Big Macs, a large fry, and a soda every day or whenever and expect to lose a massive amount of weight. You have to, change your diet. It's time to start eating more healthier foods that are less processed. We can get into that later. I can actually, you guys know I've lost a lot of weight, and over the winter I've picked it up. But this just looked like happy weight. Look at how chunky my face is down. But I am very, very happy. I'm in love. My kids are growing up. I got one getting ready to graduate this fall. My son graduates next year, and I'm just happy. And I love him. I love my boo. So, yeah, if you want to try this, I'm just telling you, it is a good purchase. This is not a hoax. And a lot of people say, well, the reason why the people say it works is because they're distributors. I would not be selling anything that I do not believe in. Not this up close and personal. I sell a lot of products online. I'm not the face of my products on every product. I'm the face of this product. Like, I'm telling you it works. There's no need to be sitting up suffering, going to the restroom, straining, because it causes hemorrhoids. If you got to go to the bathroom, you and all that, you need to detox. You need to detox. So I've taken 4 out of here, and I have lost a total of 7 pounds between these 2 products. Not just this one, because I've only taken 4 out of here. But I drink my coffee every day, and I'm actually getting ready to go make me one now. So just let me take this on out the pack. And I like this coffee so much, I got 2 of them. Okay, because I don't want to run out. But I'm a coffee drinker, so TLC.